You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very long and confusing name of an inflammatory or inflammatory syndrome. If you want to learn more medical terms that are even more confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. So let's break it down. The pronunciation in English: Phlyctenular, or in American English, Phlyctenular Keratoconjunctivitis, or in American English, Keratoconjunctivitis. So, Phlyctenular Keratoconjunctivitis. It's actually pretty straightforward once you know, at least listen carefully and it'll become easy. Phlyctenular Keratoconjunctivitis, or if you're American, Phlyctenular Keratoconjunctivitis. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.